Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something pretty cool. A super simple, homemade powder that could be a natural way to power up, offering a real alternative to those conventional pills. Let's get into it. Whoa, now that is a pretty bold statement, isn't it? It comes straight from the source material, and you can see why it's such a powerful hook. It taps right into a huge concern for a lot of people. They might rely on performance-enhancing pills, but they're also really wary of all the potential side effects. This really sets the stage for what we're about to uncover. So what's the big deal with these pills anyway? Why are so many people actively looking for an alternative? Let's take a quick look at the problem with relying on these pharmaceutical solutions. You see, while these pills, well, they can work, they often come with this whole laundry list of potential drawbacks and side effects you just don't want. And that's pushed so many people to search for safer, more natural options that actually work with their body, not against it. And that's exactly where this homemade solution comes into play. Okay, so enough about the problem. Let's talk about the solution. And believe it or not, it's a simple, powerful, and incredibly easy to find powder that you can make right in your own kitchen. So what's the magic formula here? It's actually just two spices you probably already know: nutmeg and mace. Yeah, that's it. And if you're not totally sure what mace is, it's that cool, lacy stuff that grows around the nutmeg seed. You put them together and you've got something really potent. And the best part? Making this stuff is ridiculously easy. Seriously. You just grab equal amounts of both, grind them up into a superfine powder, and you're done. That's it. No complicated steps, no chemistry set needed. It's ready to store and use whenever you want.
All right, so we know the what and the how-to, but how in the world does a simple spice mix actually boost performance? Let's get into the science, and it starts somewhere you might not expect: your head.
So here's the cool part. It all starts with your mood. This blend actually helps kickstart your body's happy hormones. This means less stress, a better mood, and you know what that leads to? Better sleep. It creates this amazing positive cycle that really dials in the communication between your brain and your body. And that connection, it's absolutely crucial for performance.
Okay, so a good mood is great. We all want that. But what about the physical side of things? How does feeling good upstairs translate to better performance downstairs?
This is where the real magic happens. It's all about blood flow. See, both nutmeg and mace are natural anti-inflammatories. They help calm down any subtly swelling in your blood vessels, which lets them relax and open up. And what happens when they open up? Boom. Blood flows way more freely, way more efficiently. And that directly impacts physical response, stamina, and hardness. It's like a perfect domino effect.
But wait, there's more. This isn't just some one-trick pony. The benefits of this powder are actually pretty far-reaching for your overall health and well-being. I mean, just look at this list. We're talking a full body boost here. Your metabolism gets a kick, your digestion improves, so less of that annoying gas and bloating. It strengthens your immune system, helps you fight off fatigue, and it's even got reported benefits for big things like heart health, high blood pressure, and diabetes. It's like you're supporting your whole system from the inside out.
Oh, and if that wasn't enough, there's another huge benefit we've got to talk about. This stuff is packed to the brim with powerful antioxidants. So antioxidants, what's the big deal? Well, think of them as your body's personal security team. They go around fighting off this thing called oxidative stress. That's the stuff that damages your cells and makes you age faster. As you can see here, by taking out that damage, they protect your current cells and even help new, healthy ones grow. Basically, they help keep your body feeling and acting younger. Okay, we've covered the what and the why. Now for the really important part, the how. Let's walk through exactly how you can add this to your daily routine. And you don't need a lot. The magic number here is just half a teaspoon a day. That's it. Super simple, right? Now, for the best results, the source recommends mixing that half teaspoon with a little bit of honey. It just makes it go down a lot easier, and hey, it tastes pretty good too. And here's where you get to choose your own adventure. You've got two great routines. Option 1, a morning boost. You take your powder and honey and follow it up with a black coffee. Option 2, a relaxing night routine. You take the mix, but follow it with a nice glass of warm milk. Either way, these pairings are said to really amplify the powder's effects. Just one quick but really important tip here. If you're going for that evening routine, definitely stick with the milk. Coffee at night is a no-go. It can totally mess with your sleep, and that would kind of defeat the whole purpose, right?
All right, let's bring it all home. What have we learned? We've got a simple, all-natural powder that's a real alternative to performance pills. It works by boosting your mood and, crucially, your blood flow for better stamina. Plus, it's loaded with all these other health benefits for your whole body. And the best part? It's so easy to make and use every single day. So at the end of the day, this is all about empowerment, isn't it? It's about knowing you have options, that sometimes the most powerful solutions are natural and can be found right in your own kitchen. It's a way to take control and support your body.
So the only question left is, are you ready to harness that natural power?